Think about you on my skin. I let the current pull me in. All alone in the dark, trying to make the waters part. Trying to get you
still not hit, still not hit.
But I stayed in bed and I drifted on your ocean bed. Now I'm trying to think.
You were shooting over my head. Over and out.
When the riptide breaks and the emptiness is killing me, baby, then it's only you who can pull me from the wave.
I wasn't sure I hit you first. Shot, like you're trying to shoot again, I'm so sorry.
Caught up in a fantasy, playing with my sanity. But I stayed in bed and I drifted on your ocean, babe. I'm trying to thinking if you feel the
Probably a
same.
double kill, double kill! Good shot, that was an even trade.
Signature where everybody wants.
Yeah, I saw you and I was like, oh crap, and so it hit me right in the head.
Well, I had the red dot right on your head, and it zeroed in. I got lucky, and you got a good shot on me. Your second or third shot was solid.
When the riptide breaks and the emptiness is killing me, baby, then it's only you who can pull me from the wave. Only you can pull me from the
I think that's a clean sweep. That's it.
All right, guys, here we go. Game is long. In 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go.
Did anyone go left?
I get lost in my head. Think about you on my skin. I let the current pull me in.
Bang, bang, bang. You're way.
Trying to make the waters part.
Yeah, okay.
Trying to get you in my heart. But I stayed in bed and I drifted on your ocean bed. Now I'm trying to thinking if you feel the same.
Thank you.
Tide breaks and the emptiness is killing me, baby, then it's only you who can pull me from the wave.
I'm out. And I think you hit me. Good shot, sir.
Well,
then let's go this way.
No, this is guys.
He's not looking right now. Come on, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Go, 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 go. I'll keep his head down. Go. I'm keeping his head down. Go. Go, 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 go. That's it. Good job. Good job.
Behind the red button, next to the white one. Game over, softers! Game over!
Back up!
Hey, anybody there is dead.
That was a very tactical throw. Well done.
That was, the grenade went off and you said frag out.
Well, he let it cook. He gave it a 2-second head start. That was very well done.
Here we go. Hit him one more time.
Okay, ready? Hold on, ready? She's ready? Set. Right up! Okay, let's get ready to go. Okay, let's move it. Okay.
Police station! You have 5 minutes to extract.
I'm last man as always. Watch our 6! Let's game, let's game.